Hey guys, let's go through the app. I'm just going to go to log into the back end. Okay, so we're in the back end. I'm going to load up the front end as well. Sorry, it's ambiguous. We're in that. Well, we can call that the back end, I guess. Let's go to app, flyingfish.research, and wow, I can put my password. That's a rarity. Okay, what's the first thing to do? Actually, I think I'm going to log out. I'm going to create an account, and what should I call it? Tell me. Maybe. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna have to need a link. Okay, so there is a link there. Oh, you just okay. How to detail this? That's tricky. We need like a way for people to see all that stuff. And I guess we need so anyway, let's just specify this quickly. Perhaps we need people to actually go through the document and click on OK. It's all that legal silliness, but in the least, I think we should specify to. I've read the good. And we're probably gonna need like a plus need URL to blank page. Actually, I'm gonna go and do this, and then I can upload it to. I can push it myself. So this is a task for me. Then I can just customize it to my heart's content. Okay, that's cool. Let's sign up. Oh, blast. Okay, and what's another email address of mine? Okay, so I guess we should see if Andy at Flying Fish works. Flyingfishresearch.com. Flyingfishresearch.com. Okay, so it should go to my inbox. I'll pause the recording until. Okay, there could be a problem with that email account, but I'm not going to bother to explore it now. I'm actually going to find a temporary email web service thinger. I'm going to create. What was I going to call that? Okay, and so fingers crossed we should get Okay, that's a bit odd. I wonder if there's a problem with the communication. We can return to that though later on. Okay, so I'm just going to we'll return to that email issue shortly. Let's look at so let's also look at experiments. It's just odd. I don't know why there's a problem with HTTPS sometimes. I might need to renew that. Oh, blast. Okay, lab. Cross-modal, blah blah blah. Mine these experiments. And then we got to like a, what's it called again? Flying fish development. Yeah, ideally that would be, you know, it would check to make sure that it's the appropriate field. Yeah, type email. So that should kick up a stinky if we get something wrong. I'm actually going to give a proper email address. Okay, is that all good? Is restriction type sorted? Remuneration per person 10. So £1.50 submit. Excellent. So there's a problem with the email, which is what one would expect. Cool. So we successfully submitted. Click refresh here. We shouldn't see anything. It's only when we go into the Flying Fish dashboard that we see some studies waiting for approval. So let's approve this guy. Alright, we'll click refresh here, and we should. Oh, I had to click on dashboard, sorry, I'm being a bit thick. So join here. Run study. Actually going to leave the study now. So I can't redo the study if I've left it. Oh no, I was being thick again. Click join anyway, run study. I assume that contact will bring up. That goes to. That's gone to Boss Banana. I think that should be to the address and experiment to remember Andy T Woods space at gmail.com. So that's the correct screen copy of that, and I can add that to Moxtra later on. Come on, Control V. Okay, cool. And that actually says invite participant as well. That's wrong. That should be. So there's two things wrong in that. Let me just graffiti this so I remember the issues. So one issue was invite participant, and the other issue was to Boss Banana. Okay, cool. Close that. Run study. Yeah. All good. Close this guy down again. So in my dashboard. Okay, yeah, so I just ran that study. Okay, so I just got an email from the Flying Fish thing. That's pretty slow. Let me just see if my Gmail's got. So the other email address hasn't got it yet. The Flying Fish one, but that's probably because Flying Fish email itself is the email thing is pretty frustrating. It's I have to like manually. Oh, I just share it to you. You have to like manually. It checks every like half an hour instead of like regular Gmail. It checks pretty frequently. Check now. It's one reason why for example, Oxford email is so slow. You have to it only periodically checks. Anyway, let's see. Fingers crossed. We'll get an email through. Okay, so flying fish. We'll go here to experiments. We should I'd anticipate that's because of an issue to do with developments. So if I just do one, very good. Okay, Jeffrey, there's some bug going on here. If you guys can look into that and explore what's going on. Yeah, I'll take a screen copy of that. That's a bug when you click on well, these guys here. Anyway, I mean that's just trivial. We've actually looked at all the other stuff. I think all's good really. I think we should do our first maybe n equals 50 study. I can think of other things we'll need to add, but that's just part of life. And anyway, thanks Mel. I'll talk to you guys later.